Today, we're exploring an AI agent marketplace that, if I'm quite honest with you, this is probably a game changer for those of us that are building in the AI coding space and are trying to market our creations. The marketplace that I'm talking about is called Agent.AI, and they call themselves the professional network for AI agents. Basically, this marketplace is a professional network of AI agents that were created either by the company itself or by their users. And they allow you to do different tasks. So you can hire some of these agents and you can do different tasks as you are trying to build your business or market it. So today, what we're going to be doing is number one, we're going to be exploring what are the options. There are 248 agents there right now. We're not going to explore them all, but we're going to take a look at what is available right now, what is possible with this tool. And number two, we're going to be exploring some of the use cases and demoing some of the agents that are available. With that being said, before we continue moving forward, I will ask you for two favors. Number one, please consider liking this video so the algorithm pushes our video out to other people and hopefully we can help more people around the world. Number two, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, but it gives me credibility as people are finding these videos, and it really helps me a lot. With that being said, let's jump into Agent.AI and see what is this all about. All right, so this is Agent.AI, and their marketplace have 248 agents, as you can see. That's as of the recording of this video on January 6, 2025. So they keep adding more and more agents as they train them. So this marketplace was created by Dharmesh, which is one of the co-founders of HubSpot. So this is not a fly-by-night startup that will go away anytime soon. They are well-funded. They run HubSpot. And I would imagine that at some point, Agent.AI will become part of HubSpot. That's just what I think. I'm not saying that's what will happen. So we have all these agents. So there is a competitor analysis agent, web page copy editor agent. There is a text tab lookup agent. There is a YouTube transcript generator agent, pricing page analyzer. So there is a whole lot of them. I didn't scroll the way down to the bottom of the page because there are so many of them that it doesn't really make sense for me to look at every single one of them. But I opened some of the ones that actually got my attention and that I think will be useful for those that are trying to build a business in 2025. So the first one is a meme maker. So I believe that those of us that spend quite a large amount of time in ads are used to seeing memes shared around by everybody, and this is an agent that will create them for you. Now, I realize that I jumped the gun. There is one thing that I would like to talk about, and that is pricing. So we'll go to my account. You get started with 50 credits, and I will leave a link down in the description below for you to get those 50 credits. Not everybody starts with 50 credits based on my understanding. You get credits based on referrals. So you will get 50 credits. I will get 50 credits, which is quite nice. If you ask me, as I mentioned before, it's done by the HubSpot team and Dharmesh. So that's a way that you can get credits. With that out of the way, we're going to start exploring some of these agents and what we can create. So the first one we're going to explore is the meme maker. Then we will explore the search keyword research. Then the recent LinkedIn posts. Then the LinkedIn profile analyzer, the Twitter/S personality analyzer, the video script generator, and lastly, the Reddit scraper. So just let's go one by one. So for the meme maker, we're going to hire on this agent, and it's worth mentioning that it takes 1 credit per execution, and It has been run 55,600 times and it got a 3.67 star review. Perhaps not 5 star, but we will make our come up with our own conclusions. AI coding tools. So we're going to generate a meme for this topic, AI coding tools. Let's see how it does. All right, AI coding tool writes entire project perfectly. The programmer fixes one line code. The programmer. All right, so that's not bad. The action, save to snippet, play audio. Let's see. Can we? Can we? I don't think we can save it. Oh, okay. So we can save it to downloads. Let's see how it look like. All right, so it's a meme that is shareable. Let me bring this up so you can see it. There you go. Let's see. And here it is. That's the image. Not bad. I have too many things open right now. All right, so the next one we're going to be using is the search keyword research. We're going to hire this agent, and this agent basically all it does is it analyzes the search volume, the cost, and competitiveness of keywords that you choose, the most effective keyword for optimizing your SEO and advertisement strategies. I don't know where they're getting the data from, so take this with a grain of salt. It might be from Ahrefs or some other source. I don't really know where the data is coming from, but we're going to use a keyword that I'm quite familiar with, our template, and we're going to search, and we're going to see what we get back. Now, with that being said, I think that this could be a great opportunity for anybody to go and create their own agents in this platform and perhaps start building something truly amazing that where they can potentially generate some kind of income. I don't really know exactly. All right, so I don't know exactly how much they pay. So Bubble template, it didn't provide it what I was expecting. This is something completely different. But let's do the sample that they have here. Actually, no. Ocar's no website. Definitely not a good look for the tool for the first try, but we will give it another try. And this will not be edited, so I'm keeping this in. Okay. So let's refresh the page. And it's initializing again. So send it. Let's see what it comes up with. All right. Definitely bad output. It's a 1 star rating. We're going to save it. I don't even want to restart it. So recent LinkedIn posts. Let's open LinkedIn and let's grab somebody's profile and see what are the most recent posts. So we're going to hire this agent. And we're going to send it. While it's doing that, we are going to go in OpenS so we can get ahead of the game. And while that is working, we're going to open the next one, the LinkedIn Profile Analyzer, and we're going to enter the same individual's profile link, and we're going to send it. All right, so the agent summarizes the latest post for a number of LinkedIn users. Just enter the profile URLs, so it can be more than one for the people you want to research. So it looked like these are the latest posts, and these are the key patterns of the posts. Now let's take a quick look at the profile and see some of the posts that they have published lately. So it talks about play and go to market strategy. So it doesn't seem to be far off. So AI voices for go to market. Okay. So let's see how many likes. It's 132 likes, 131, 171 comments, 173. Okay. So that's pretty accurate. And 90 and 26. Yep. All right, that's pretty accurate. You actually got all the information for the latest post for this individual. I'll close this, and again, the analysis, and the average like is 91.6. Now, what would you use this for? Perhaps you can use it to vet some of the influencers that you might be interacting with in your as you're trying to promote your business. So let's try this as personality analyzer. We're going to enter the user's username and let it run. And while we're doing that, we're going to try this video script generator. Again, all I'm doing is trying to demo some of these tools for you to see. That's it. Didn't let me. Okay, so the video topic is knowable how to create a website widget. Press. Hi. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so the counter is a dynamic personality characterized by a blend of technological enthusiasm and a critical eye towards current trends. The user is deeply engaged with software. Okay. So this is actually really good because I know for a fact that it actually is doing all of this. So the account holder frequently engages in discussion about software, expressing desire to make software fun again. Yep, that's something that I have read him say. And lamenting the current state of software as either really utilitarian or mindlessly engaging. Yep. All right, I think this agent is actually quite good. Audience information from developers. Let's see what else it has. Now we're trying to key messages. Anyone can build a website using WordPress. And you can add more than one. Start video length 5+ minutes. It should have done less than that, but and the tone casual. I'm pretty casual. And let's see if I have to send. Where's your name? I'm going to leave it blank. Okay, let's find a video on how to create a WordPress website. So we can add it. Perhaps that will help. Now, could you do some of these things uh, using Zapier and ChatGPT and others, perhaps? But this is just an easier way to get it done. This one didn't work, so we're going to rate it 1 star and move forward. And for the last one, yeah, or it might have been working. I don't know. For the last one, this is a Reddit scraper, so we're going to hire this one. And we're going to scrape for AI coding tools. And there's another one that I actually want to scrape Reddit for, and that is cursor alternatives or competitors. Um, and we're going to see what it returns. Okay. AI coding tools. So if you are trying to write a blog post about AI coding tools, this might be a starting point. Activity boost. So in your research, it can guide you into what perhaps you could be talking about. So I'm actually going to open this again, and I actually like that research and I will use it. So alternatives, should I say cursor? So we're going to see what it comes up with. Mm, Yeah, not what I was looking for. So we will do cursor AI alternatives. Regardless, I think this is a win on my book. Okay, yeah, definitely not what I was looking for. You will have to play with it a little bit and to figure out exactly how to get to what you want to get. This is definitely a win for me to have found this agent in specific. And we have made it to the end of this video. I would love if you let me know down in the comments below which one is your favorite agent out of all the ones that we demo. And if you find any agent out there that is extremely useful, please share it with the world, share it with us down in the comments below. I would love if you can share the link, and that will improve the community and provide value to the community. So I really appreciate it if you can do that. Also, if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow and reach more people. The more people I reach, the more videos I can produce. So please help me out with that. With that being said, I really hope that this was a useful video to you, and I hope to see you in the next one.